Hi, this is Eileen Roth at Everything Is Place and everythingisplace.net. I'm also the author of the book Organizing for Dummies. Today, we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can declutter and simplify your life so you can have more time to enjoy your life and spend more time with your family. Number 1, use it or lose it. Do you have things either in your closet or in your pantry or your kitchen or your bedroom that you're not using? You bought it and you thought you'd use it, but you find you're not. Or you used it for a long time and you no longer want to. This is particularly true of clothes. You'll have clothes that you've worn and either they no longer fit because of size, or you really just got tired of it and you no longer want to wear it. And it could be also that, it's torn or just worn out. If that's the case, it's time to lose it. When I was on the Oprah show, she had a working vacuum cleaner and 3 broken ones. I said, why do you still have the 3 broken ones? You've got one that works. So we lost the 3 broken ones. Number 2, in with the new and out with the old. So if you bring home something new, like you bought a new sweater, can you let go of one of the old ones? Do you have enough? I understand if you don't, then you need one, that's fine. But if you've got plenty, can you let some of the old ones go? And when I say go, donate them so someone else can use them if they're in good shape. How about appliances? If you bought a new appliance, you replace the old one. So if you bought like a new air fryer so you can cook several things at once at the same time, then you can let go of your toaster oven. Or if you have the KitchenAid Mixmaster where it has the attachments in the front where it can slice and dice and grind meat and do all kinds of other things, there might be several appliances you can get rid of, from the hand mixer to slicers to something that grinds your meat. Number 3, is the sentiment worth it? Now, I know this is a hard one for most people. They think everything's sentimental, but if you keep everything that's sentimental, think about it. That's what a hoarder does. They keep everything that sparks joy. So do not hold on to things just because they're sentimental. Can you take a picture and will that give you the memory and will that be enough? Especially if it's taking up space that you could use for something else. Think about when you go on vacation. You remember the vacation, the things you did and the people. You don't bring the vacation home with you. You bring home the pictures. So can you take a picture of an item that's sentimental to you and let the item itself go? Number 4, does it frustrate you to clean or maintain it? I own silver candlesticks I got from my grandfather for my wedding, and I own a silver platter from when my mother was deceased. I know that my kids have told me straight up front, Mom, take silver polish when it gets tarnished. We don't want anything that takes any work. When you don't want to use it anymore, just let it go. And I totally understand. And number 5, the easiest one of all, and yet I don't understand why people find this one so hard. It's really simple. Put everything in its place. It's why I name my company that. When you bring something home, put it away. When you take something out, put it back. If you do that, you'll never have a pile. You'll never have clutter. If everything has a place and you put it away, you'll love relaxing in your home. You'll enjoy it so much more. So when you walk in the door, I'll give you a minute to take off your coat, hang it up, put it away. And now instead of dropping packages on the couch or table or counter, put it in the room where it goes and put it away in that room, in a drawer or on a shelf or wherever it's supposed to go. When you have everything in its place, your life will be simpler, you will be happier, and you'll have more time to enjoy your life. If you'd like more tips like this on how to get better organized, take a look at my blog at everythingisplace.net/blog. Have a great day and enjoy your life.